Hey folks, Tinkerman here. How y'all doing? Well, I'm down here riding around. Got off a little bit early today. I guess really not early. I just went in early. I think I left out around 10:30 last night, and also. But anyhow, I'm out here riding around, seeing the sceneries, checking out my adjustment on my windshield. My wife got me here. Seems like it's going to be a little bit better at highway speeds. This place here to your right, well, it's mulch now, but that was a gravel pit years ago, and used to haul gravel out of there back when I first started trucking, and they figured out that it was a real shiny, pretty rock, but they found out it was good rocks people want for aquariums. So they quit selling to gravel haulers and start packing that mess up and shipping it across the country for people to put in their fish aquariums. Made a killing there doing that, so. My buddy's house. Yeah, I thought I'd come down through here, and me and my wife, when we first got married, we lived down here, and I just thought I'd go down here and check it out, see what's all changed. It's really growed up a lot. All this here used to be woods and everything, used to hunt and everything through here. Now it's house after house. Had some pretty woods too. They built some nice houses down through here. There's some mobile homes, and oh, I'm sorry, you can't say mobile homes no more. You know, you gotta be politically correct. Modular homes. I just don't understand this younger generation. You can't say this, you can't say that. Jeez. Look like they just come through here and put some asphalt in the little holes. Yeah, they missed a bunch too, but I don't believe in fits in right, just jerry rig everything. But I remember when we was living down here at this pasture to your left there, guy had goats and everything, but one of them big Chinook helicopters landed out in the middle of there. I forget what happened, but it broke down, and so they kind of made a crash landing right there. I don't really want to say the word crash landing because they tear down. Let's put it that way. To me, crash is, you know, what Mr. John usually do on the trail. But right out on the other side of that tree there in that little opening, I mean, there wasn't much room there between them propellers and that, them trees either. But that was a good pilot. I doubt if he'll ever see this, but if he does, thumbs up to you, buddy. Yeah, when I was hauling gravel, everything. This fire station here, little volunteer fire department station. I hauled the dirt to that slab, put that slab in. Yeah, y'all be able to sleep good tonight knowing that. But it's kind of neat when you drive around and you spot a place and you say, I remember doing that. There's a little castle there. I don't know, a little round thing. You know, where Juliet stood up there and said, Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou? I'm just amazed how in English class every year that we had to do that in school, they said that was proper English. Yeah, you let me talk like that there, see how quick they don't commit me. I think I said that before. This right here, well, right back there at church, now a sad thing happened. Domino's Pizza used to meet people, well, they would meet people right there at that parking lot and bring you a pizza. You know, you call, you order your pizza, and they come that far down here and meet people. You pay them and get your pizza. They wouldn't come on down through here. And but doggone, do you know some yahoo, I think it was 2 of them. Well, when did they put a 4-way stop sign here? That's new. Check out that old truck there. Ain't that nice? Look at that. There's another old one over yonder. There's one there. Let's go check out the other one too. We ain't got nothing to do. Go around here and check it out. The old trucks. Yeah, this used to not be a 4-way stop sign here. I don't know what they doing now that for. Old gas pumps. Look at that old truck, old car. Pretty neat. Oh, look here. Fancy. Yeah. Look like he stole railroad crossing sign. Like that old truck. Those people right there, they're some type of a distant kinfolk. I don't know. They probably don't claim me. I don't blame them. Yeah, I said that before y'all did. Now this creek here, back when I was living down here, I used to go out there and coon hunt at night. Boy, you talk about a snaky creek. Whew. I think you have plenty of snakes now. Yeah, I'm trying to also, besides check out my windshield here, also, and my mirrors, but also checking out my mic. Time before last, after we finished riding, everybody left but me and Matt. We went for another ride, and we had a good ride, and tall, but didn't have no sound. And we rode through an area that they burned, so it really wasn't no pretty scenery or nothing else, so I just deleted the footage. And last time we went riding, well, y'all know I had that music and everything. I figure, heck, YouTube don't let me monetize my video no more. There's a turtle. Oh, let's get that for Twisty. Come on, we want to go get that for Twisty. People down here in the woods, well, he's trying to escape from us. Well, there he is, Twisty. Old school dirt biker. Unlike y'all, I ain't gonna molest the turtle. I'm gonna let him go. Let him be. They always like pick him up, put him on the shoulder of the road. I always wonder, well, what if that turtle just came from that side of the road, it came to the other side of the road, huh? Y'all done made the turtle half walk further. Well, thank you, man, out. Y'all stay safe.